What's up, guys? It's Patrick here, aka Patty Ecom, as you know me on Instagram, if you follow me there. Yeah, and welcome to a new video. I just got back to my office. Right now it is 10 minutes past 10 p.m. at night. Just had a workout with my girlfriend, and I just figured I want to get back to my office because I wanted to make a video. Now, I'm so bad at figuring out what videos I'm gonna make, so I make videos upon what my followers on Instagram are asking me most about, right? What I'm getting most questions about. It can be random people DM me, or it can be throughout my mentorships, the clients I have, or through the clients I have through my academy, product academy. So yeah, so if you want a specific video from me, just simply go down in the description, follow me on Instagram, Patty Ecom, at Patty Ecom, and just DM me some questions. I will be more than happy to make a video upon it. So yeah, I don't want to make this too long because there's no reason to make it too long. And I'm sorry if the camera is shaking. My brand new table. But anyways, yeah, this video is simply gonna be about all the questions I'm getting about simply not only what product, but mainly how I'm gonna market this. How am I gonna be a guru at Facebook ads? How I'm gonna be a full out psycho at Facebook ads? Because the 100% and 99% of people, if not all people, believe they need to be ninjas at Facebook ads to make something work. You don't. Listen, all of us who have had some success, depends on how you think of success, but all of us who've made sales through Shopify using Facebook ads, we started somewhere. Like we made our sales from somewhere. And actually, you're making it too complicated to get success. And also specifically through Facebook ads. Here's what you should face. So this video, I want to talk about what you actually should focus on, right? There's two main things you're going to focus on, and the third thing is going to be Facebook ads, and that thing you don't need to focus that much on, right? So let's jump straight into it. The number one thing you should focus on is the product slash, it's the product, sorry. It's just the product. You need to have a good product. Like at the end of the day, you're not selling marketing, you are selling a product. That's what you are in for. So the product is possibly the number one thing, at least if you come to me. Now, I want to split this in two ways. Number one, first, product is number one thing. But second, you don't need to find a golden product. Like there's no such thing. This is only one winning product you can make money on. Because I believe like the internet and the world is so huge, and all of the online buyers, there's so many of them every single minute that you don't need like a crazy golden product. You just need a product and have a good solid product with a great offer, and you can sell it. 100% my philosophy. So here's what you do. Number one, as I just said, you need to have a good product, and you can learn it in various ways. Watch a bunch of YouTube videos on how to do product research. I myself have a product academy where my team and I are gonna find the winning products for you, and it has worked great so far. But anyways, learn how to find a good product. Once you have a good product, the number two thing comes. Have a resistible offer, if that makes sense. Have an offer that they can't say no to, right? So you have this product that they're interested in, right? Because it's a good product and you are targeted out to that niche, which we'll come to. Now they are interested in the product. And now if you make an offer that is good enough that they can't say no to, right? They get the feeling, yeah, I can't pass on this. I'm maybe not gonna see this ad ever again. They will buy, right? So you need to have a good product, a good offer. Now, before we get into the marketing, and this video will be over, so you can implement this immediately. But before we get into the marketing, there's one thing that's connecting the product and the offer. That's the ad copy, right? So in order for the customers or the viewers to actually go on to your product page and see the resistible offer you are offering them, they need to have the urge to click. Sometimes if the product is good enough, that's enough for them to click, really is. And that's what you're gonna focus on. But sometimes you just need that ad copy, right? You need that text that's gonna do, okay, yeah, now I'm finally gonna click that ad and go to the product page. So how are you gonna, I'm not gonna go into depth of ad copy because it's very simple. That's my strategy, it's very simple. But what it's gonna consist of is emotions. That's simple. Let me give you an example. I have sold one of my first winning products were AirPods, right? The fake or AirPods, the fake AirPods, you know them. So how I would sell them using emotion would be, now this is not exactly how I did it, but this is how I would do it. I had something very, very similar. It would be something like, be the coolest guy in the bunch, or be the coolest in the bunch, be the coolest in the group, be the coolest among your friends, something like that. That could be an example. Or stand out, stand out from the bunch, something like that, you know, so they can relate to it. They get some kind of feeling instead of only writing about the offer. Hey, only $15 free shipping, buy two, get each for $10, something like that. Yeah, it's great they can see the offer, but it's not compelling them to type. Now they know the offer. It's way better to get them on the page and then they see that offer, because once they get on the page they have already made a move, and then they get the feeling that, hey, I don't want to waste my time, I've already got here, might as well buy, if it's the right customer, right? So no reason, actually, you don't have to show the offer at all in the ad copy. Now you could do something like showcase that it's free shipping, or if it's, for example, a free product plus shipping, then you can write in the offer in the ad copy, but you don't have to, right? You want them to get on the page and then they see the irresistible offer. So first they're going to see a great product or good product that's very appealing for them. Second, they're going to read an ad copy, most of them. It's very emotional. So they get an emotional attachment to this product. That, hey, these earbuds, I'm going to be cooler than my friends. I'm going to be cooler than Brian and Johnny that just have the normal earbuds or something like that. You know, they're going to have the feeling that, yeah, I'm going to be cooler than them. So get in their emotions, right? And then they click, and then they get into the boom, the offer, like, hey, you get this for $15, free shipping, only today, whatever you want to do a BOGO offer. That's the best way. And you ask me, right? So again, now we're gonna get to, not again, but now we're gonna get to the Facebook ads, and then I promise you we are done with this video, because I know you have a busy life. You're gonna get back to the work, and get back to actually trying to make some money. And I'm just here to tell you, don't make it harder than it is, right? Or maybe just gonna get back to your Netflix series. I ain't judging here. I watch it myself. Okay, but marketing. So what you're gonna do now? I'm not gonna go in all detail how we're gonna set up the campaign and such. But maybe I'm gonna do that in the next video. Comment down below if you want that. And maybe you're gonna be the 33rd subscriber. But I would just set up a simple campaign, right? So we're gonna do a simple campaign. I'll just go in there and select the country if you want. You can have United States, or you can have top 5 countries, or you can have all the EPEC countries. Test around, just pick something. It's not the biggest deal in the world. You're also going to look at your product. Is this appealing for the whole world, or mainly just United States, right? So figure that out. I will start with broad in the age. It can be from 23 and up, or just 18 and up. But of course, if you know what the age group is, of course select that. Then again, with the gender, just select all. But again, if you know what this product is appealing to gender-wise, if it's a beauty product, of course choose woman. But else choose all. Go down, find an interest, right? Just one interest, and then you can narrow it by engaged shoppers, and you can exclude people who know about AliExpress and dropshipping, and then choose Facebook feeds, Instagram feeds, create an awesome post on your Facebook, and then select that post within your ad set, and then duplicate that asset you have just made by 5 or 10, and then just change the interest, right? And now you're gonna have 5 to 10 different ad sets in this one campaign. That's it, right? Don't make it more complicated than it is. Now this might sound complicated, but it's not. It's really not. This is the kind of old method, but it still works, right? So just do 5, and especially if you're a beginner, just do 5 to 10 ad sets, different interest in each. That's fairly simple, right? You don't need to make it more complicated. Or you can do as my guy Luke All said on his YouTube, which is simply just gonna make a campaign, and then within the niche you're gonna find, it could be magazines, or it can be big brands, or whatever, and then make a list of them. Make sure they have a big enough audience, between 30,000 to 300,000. That's what I found working, and that's also what I believe Luke showed. And after I tested it, makes sense. That was the one thing that worked. So within that campaign, you're gonna have one ad set with 10 stacked in interest, right? And just let it out for $25, something like that. So Now I think about it, this Facebook ads that I just talked about, maybe it's gonna sound difficult, but then just wind the video back and listen to what I said. It's fairly simple. You can either do 5 to 10 ad sets, one different interest in each. Simple. I know, hey, it's not working anymore. Trust me. If you're starting out, it's still gonna work. Or you can do one ad set with 5 to 10 stacked interest and just let that out. But again, I think that's it. If do you find this helpful, really, leave a like, even dislike. Man, just do it. What else? Leave a like, subscribe. It will mean the world to me. We are 32 right now, maybe 33 after this video. And yeah, leave a comment section if you want specific videos, or follow me on Instagram and DM me and I can figure something out. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna sign off. I'm gonna be at my office again in the morning, so I better get my ass off this chair, get in my car and get home. Now I do have a call with a new mentorship client, so that's so super awesome. Can't wait to talk to you, bro. But yeah, anyways, thank you very much and subscribe.
And we're flying so close to where we belong.